All right, greetings YouTube, beautiful mind here. This question comes in from pre-calculus. It says find the exact values of the 6 trig functions of the given angle. If they are not defined, say not defined, do not use a calculator. So something like this, I typically convert to degrees. So I'll say 180 degrees over pi. Radians are going to cancel. 180 divided by 4, that's 45 times 7. So that's 280 plus 35, 315. Okay, so if we're at 315 degrees, that means we're in quadrant 4, right? So if we're at 315, how far away, what's the reference angle? 360 minus 315, that's 20, that's 45 degrees. So we're 45 degrees away from the x-axis in quadrant 4, right? So then you just do everything based on 45 degrees on the unit circle in quadrant 1, and then just straighten out your signs, okay? So if we did sine of 7 pi over 4, right? That's the same as sine of 45, so that's going to be root 2 over 2. But sine is like our y, and in quadrant 4, y is negative, so sine has to be negative. Cosine 7 pi over 4 is like cosine of 45, so there's still root 2 over 2. Cosine is like our x is positive in quadrant 4, so this stays positive. Tan of 7 pi over 4, so that's like a sine over cosine, so that's going to be negative 1. Then cosecant 7 pi over 4, it's just negative root 2. Secant of 7 pi over 4 is just positive root 2. I'm just flipping the ones on the left. And then cotan 7 pi over 4 is negative 1. Okay? So let me try these results in Pearson. I'm pulling this from Pearson. So we said this one was negative square root of 2 over 2. This one we said was the square root of 2 over 2. This one we said was negative 1. Cotan we said was negative 1. Secant is a reciprocal of cosine. So cosine is our x, so it's just square root of 2. This one should be negative root 2. Okay. All right, so with that, we'll end the session here.